Welcome to MarineMax Cross Lake. Today we have a 2026 Premier 230 Sunsation RL. RL stands for rear lounger. That's the system we see in the back here. We'll get to that, but first we have two bow-facing chase lounge couches. These have durable hinges, roto-molded seat bins, and they are self-bailing, so all of these channels lead to these exit locations right here. So if you have anything wet in there, it'll drain out the side of the boat. We have nice deep cup holders here in the couches. These are great for your Yetis and Stanleys and all of your big cups that you want to have on board. We have Clarion audio system. This is a great audio system, and it's awesome that they have it in the mid back so you can hear it better versus down on the floor where it used to be. It just brings the sound into the cockpit more of the boat. We have this cockpit table. It has a non-skid mat here. That's great for setting your phone down and it not sliding all over the place. Two cup holders integrated, and you just push that button and twist it, and you can stow this away when you want more leg room on board, but we have it offset so it's easier to walk around, so you have a full pass through to the front of the boat. We have a large in-floor ski locker here in the middle, and this convenient little flip out wastebasket and paper towel holder. These are essential things to have on the boat, and it's so nice that they just integrated them right into the helm, so you always have them tucked away but easily accessible. We have a Humminbird Helix 5 navigation right here at the helm, your analog gauges, there's an hour meter so you're not guessing how many hours you're at before your next service. You can see it right there when you power the boat on. There's a phone holder, and then you have a 12 volt or a USB receptacle for your phone. This is capacity for 15 people. We have it in the Carmela tan vinyl and mahogany teak seagrass flooring. This black fiberglass with this mahogany teak is an upgrade, and you can see how it looks so much more like a dock system than a boat. It is so beautiful, just a rich interior look. Now, as we get to the rear lounger, we have adjustable backrests, but one of the safety features we need is a stern gate. That protects younger kids and animals from just running off the open aft of the boat here. We also have these safety chains that hook across really easily. This makes it legal to ride on that rear lounger facing the motor because you have a barrier between you and the engine, along with this large ski tow bar for tubing and skiing and water sports. This ricochet ladder is awesome because once you have it down in the water, you don't actually have to put it back up yourself. If you forget that ladder down in the water, when you go about 3 miles an hour across the lake, it'll self-retract so that it's not banging around getting damaged or damaging your tune down there. This boat's powered by a Mercury 200 V6 outboard motor with mechanical shifting and power assist steering. It's really easy to maneuver across the lake, and this is built on the PTX 28 supercharged tri-tune chassis. You have a higher, drier performing pontoon ride. It actually runs more like a runabout than a pontoon. It's not rocking side to side. It's very, very agile and high performance boat. This rear lounger system is awesome because all you have to do is give a pull in the center of one of these backrests and it'll just adjust like that. You can do back to back. You could do a full bed. There's a lot of different configurations, and there's also storage under here as well. As you can see, we have all of our boat pack kit. We give a free go boating kit with all of our brand new boat sales here at MarineMax, so you'll be water ready and legal to go boating as soon as you leave the dealership. We can't wait to see you at MarineMax in Cross Lake. We hope that you'll stop in and check this boat out. We have tons of Premier pontoons in stock right now. Bring your family, let's go take them for a test drive and get you ready for your 2026 boat.